Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota Yaris satellite navigation system. First, locate the navigation screen, typically in the center of your dashboard. Press the dedicated NAV button to activate the system. Ensure the unit is powered on and displaying the main navigation menu. This initial step prepares your system for entering destinations and planning routes, making your journeys much smoother and more efficient. Once the navigation system is active, select the destination or enter address option from the main menu. You'll then be prompted to input the address details. Carefully enter the street number, street name, and city using the on-screen keyboard. After confirming the accuracy of the address, select Set as Destination to proceed. The system will then calculate your route. After setting your destination, the system will display the calculated route on the map. Take a moment to review it. You can often choose route preferences, such as the fastest or shortest path, to suit your travel needs. Remember to adjust the volume for the voice guidance to a comfortable level. This ensures you hear all turn-by-turn directions clearly throughout your journey. To enhance your navigation experience, consider saving frequently visited locations as favorites for quick access. You can also search for points of interest, such as gas stations or restaurants, directly from the navigation menu. For optimal performance and accurate routing, it's a good idea to update your maps periodically. This ensures your system has the latest road information, making every trip easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.